Smitty, is it normal for the Engage to flicker like that?
I've never seen a canister do that. Ooh, except that one time. Oh, yeah, that one time. Oh, it switched over to the new big black canister.
What happened when you mixed laugh power with scream power?
Ooh.
Hey, Tyler! There you are! Wait up! Where have you been?
I just gotta get rid of something bad before it's too late.
Give space to release the pressure.
The pressure! That's it! I need to release the pressure!
Excuse me, sorry, party, coming through.
Spinning out of control!